public funds during the tender, and 8, shed light.
You bring in your written submissions.
I was not involved as the process had started. So that is one of the documents I'll tender, the work plan approval and the tender approval. I was briefed by the staff from the malaria program as a requirement. Once I went in as a PS, I was given briefs for every department. The letter dated, and from then that's when I generated the letter dated 21st. That's the first letter I generated. From the last letter generated on 7th November, I'll table it. I generated letter dated 21st February to sought clarity if they had compiled with the specification. Number 2 was describe your involvement in the procurement on the long lasting. As I say, the staff from the user department reviewed what was put on the advert and they advised I sought clarity from KEMSA.